Okay, take you to a shock and awe program here, buddy. Zala. Hey, what's going on? I'm gonna paint it black on the outside. Whoa, cozy. Get all the windows done first, and I'm going to take the blue out and paint it white on the inside. But hey, getting the general drift of everything. Put it back to white. I've got to do the grey white up there as well. But yep, put all them back. The blue door is going to be white as well on the inside. That's cool. I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do with the covers yet, but I pulled them all out, pulled the thing out, going to paint it all white again. Yeah. But hey, progress is progress, and that's what she looks like at the moment. But it's just a sealant really, because I got a fiberglass over the top, but I just wanted to see what it looked like. So yeah, rightio, leave it to it. See you.